Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today we are diving into the world of packing cubes and doing a comprehensive review of the popular Air Packing Cube. If you are on a quest to organize your travel essentials efficiently, you are in for a treat. Let's get started. Let's begin by introducing the Air Packing Cube. This packing cube is designed to simplify and streamline your packing process. Here are the key features and benefits of this versatile travel accessory. One standout feature of the Air Packing Cube is its high-quality construction. It is crafted from durable materials such as nylon or polyester that can withstand the rises of travel. The stitching is robust, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear and tear. The Air Packing Cube comes in various size options, catering to different packing needs. You can choose from small, medium or large cubes or opt for a set that includes multiple sizes. This versatility allows you to customize your packing organization based on your specific trip requirements. When it comes to keeping your belongings organized, the Air Packing Cube shines. It features a spacious main compartment that can accommodate clothing items, accessories, or electronics. Additionally, there are multiple internal mesh pockets and compartments for smaller items like socks, underwear, or charging cables. One of the standout features of the Air Packing Cube is its compression zippers. These zippers enable you to compress the cube, reducing its overall volume. This feature is especially handy when you need to maximize space in your luggage or backpack, allowing you to pack more efficiently. Accessing your items when on the go is effortless with the Air Packing Cube. It features a full-length zipper opening that provides quick and easy access to your belongings. No more rummaging through your bag to find that specific shirt or pair of socks. Breathable and water-resistant. The Air Packing Cube is designed with practicality in mind. It is made from breathable material that allow air circulation, preventing unpleasant odors and keeping your clothes fresh. Additionally, the fabric is often water-resistant, protecting your items from unexpected spills or light rain showers. The versatility of the Air Packing Cube extends beyond just travel. It can also serve as a handy organization tool for everyday life. Whether you are using it for gym gear, office supplies, or even as a toiletry kit, this packing cube adapts to various situations and keeps your belongings in order. So, what's the final verdict on the Air Packing Cube? In terms of durability, organization, and versatility, this packing cube excels. Its quality construction, size options, compression zippers, and accessibility make it a reliable choice for travelers seeking efficient packing solutions. Thank you for joining us today as we reviewed the Air Packing Cube. If you are looking to bring order and simplicity to your travel packing routine, this packing cube might be the answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel gear reviews and tips. Happy travel until next time.